In this video, I'll show you how to unsend messages on Instagram, including the latest 2025 features that give you more control over your DMs. Open Instagram and tap the messenger icon in the top right corner of your home screen. Select the conversation containing the message you want to unsend. Find the message you sent that you want to remove. Press and hold directly on that message until a menu appears with several options, including reactions and more actions. From the pop-up menu, tap Unsend. It usually appears with a curved arrow icon. Instagram will ask you to confirm by tapping on send again to permanently remove the message. Once confirmed, the message disappears from both your chat and the recipient's chat immediately. They'll see this message wasn't sent briefly, then it vanishes completely from the conversation. Remember, you can unsend any message you've sent, whether it's a text, photos, videos, or voice messages. However, if someone already screenshot your message before you unsend it, they'll still have that copy. And that's how you unsend Instagram messages in 2025.